talk to us about kind of the rating. So, from a high level, what kind of problems are you guys really trying to solve with these ratings?
Yeah, so it's really about transparency and trust. To say the very easy words, why transparency? Because many information are typically hidden or not accessible to a possible investor. On the one side, they're not able to get those information because of a lack of technical understanding, a lack of understanding of regulatory environments or product structures. So we do really explain those aspects within our rating report very much in detail. So we are also creating a mind map for the whole product structure or for the whole company setup. As you know, for really professional kind of assurances, you had different players involved, a different broker, tokenization company, different custody provider, and so on. So we are making the connection, and especially on a technical level, we do really look very deep into security and performance aspects. And I think if you would do the same analysis by yourself as a possible investor, you need to spend almost 100 hours on it. So if you just start from scratch, and if you now imagine you're looking at possible 10 possible investments on the market, it's completely ridiculous how much time you would need to spend to really fully understand every detail, every aspect in detail. And this already starts with terms and conditions. It's who of you is really reading 100 pages of terms and conditions? I think no one. But actually, it's really important because all your investor rights are described there. So also dispute resolution, contingency plans, everything. So therefore, it's so hard to get the understanding of it. And that's where we bring in the transparency, A, about the information we can receive, but B, also the trust, because we do assess it, we benchmark it against our framework. We have also developed for different kind of possible options, also different kind of thresholds. So it's all completely standardized. And this way, you can also compare a tokenized asset from asset class A to asset class B, which would be otherwise completely impossible. But we do harmonize it, and due to this benchmark against one and the same framework, it becomes comparable. And therefore, it becomes much more easier to fair a decision for investment. And on the other side, and I think that's also new compared to the traditional industry, as we have this kind of evolvement in product structures and regulatory stuff and smart contracts, we do also monitor it. And therefore, for our customers, we do send notifications when an update is happening. Because if you're holding a token, you would never know about if the smart contract was changed, if the fee structure was changed, if the procedure to redeem the token was changed, if the ownership structure was changed. You will never know it. And that's where we shed light on it, monitor it, and make it very easy to digest for our clients.